Welcome back to Tap Tech, where we dive into the latest and smartest tech that makes your life easier, faster, and more connected. If you're someone who pushes limits, climbs peaks, and runs for hours, then this watch might just be for you. Today, we're diving deep into the Garmin Enduro 3. A rugged, high-performance watch made for endurance athletes and outdoor adventurers. Garmin is known for its serious gear, but this time, they've gone all in. The Garmin Enduro 3 is built to last. Right out of the box, you can feel it. It's solid, but surprisingly light. It doesn't try to look flashy. It's all about function over form. The case is made from titanium, and it feels like it could take a beating. There's also a carbon gray DLC coating which resists scratches. That's key when you're out in the wild. It comes in two versions, one with a standard titanium bezel, and one with solar charging sapphire glass. That solar edition really makes this watch stand out. The solar panel actually works. With enough sunlight, the battery lasts even longer. Garmin claims up to 60 days in smartwatch mode. Even with heavy GPS use and ultra-long runs, it lasted weeks without a recharge. That's game-changing. The strap is designed for endurance. It's soft, stretchy, and lightweight. Garmin calls it the ultra-fit nylon band. It dries quickly and doesn't chafe. You can wear it all day and night comfortably. Now, let's talk about the display. It's a 1.4-inch sunlight visible, transflective memory and pixel display. It's not OLED or super vibrant, but it's very readable in all lighting, even direct sunlight. That's what matters. You want to glance and go. The interface still uses 5 buttons, no touchscreen here. That's a smart move. Buttons work better in the rain, with gloves, or when your hands are sweaty. Once you learn the layout, navigation is smooth and intuitive. Let's move into performance. The Enduro 3 is made for distance. Ultra runners, triathletes, hikers, this is for you. A huge upgrade is the new multi-band GNSS support. It connects to multiple satellite systems, GPS, GLONASS as Galileo, for faster, more accurate location tracking. It's reliable. Whether in forests, around mountains, or downtown near tall buildings, the GPS was rock solid. It maps your path cleanly and accurately. That's vital for safety and post-run analysis, and the data, it's deep. Beyond heart rate, distance, pace, and elevation, you get VO2 max, recovery time, training load, vertical oscillation, stride length, and more. It's a personal coach on your wrist. The Enduro 3 now includes wrist-based running power. No need for extra accessories. You can see power output during your run, helping you manage pacing more intelligently. The race predictor feature is also improved with better estimations. Stamina tracking is another highlight. It gives a real-time readout of your energy level during a workout. It's like a fuel gauge for your body. It helps you push smartly and avoid burnout. There's also a new hill score metric. It assesses your uphill running strength and endurance, which is ideal for mountain training. Alongside that, the endurance score shows your long-term fitness progress based on your activity trends. Navigation is finally complete with full-color topographical maps. You can preload maps or download via Wi-Fi. The mapping interface isn't flashy, but it's functional. You get turn-by-turn guidance, route planning, and breadcrumb trails. It's ideal for adventurers who go off-grid. Battery life is where the Enduro 3 crushes the competition. Garmin claims 60 days in smartwatch mode with solar, up to 80 hours in GPS mode, and 300 hours in max battery GPS mode. Real-world usage confirms it. This watch goes and goes. For multi-day hikes or races, it's unbeatable. On the health side, you've got heart rate, pulse ox, respiration, hydration, sleep scores, and stress tracking. It uses Garmin's latest Elevate heart rate sensor for improved accuracy, especially during intense activities. Sleep tracking has improved but still isn't perfect. You get a sleep score each morning with tips for better recovery. Body battery continues to be one of Garmin's most underrated features. It combines your stress, rest, and heart rate data to estimate energy levels. It's surprisingly useful when deciding whether to train or take a break. You also get over 30 sports modes: running, trail running, cycling, open water swimming, strength training, skiing, rowing, it's all covered. The strength mode shows animations and auto counts reps. You can even create and sync custom workouts. Garmin Connect remains one of the best apps for athletes. It's loaded with data but still user-friendly. Sync is fast. Analysis is deep. You can set goals, join challenges, and connect with other users. It's a complete ecosystem. Smartwatch features are basic but functional. You get notifications, weather, calendar alerts, and Garmin Pay. Music storage is available and supports Spotify and Amazon Music. But there's no LTE, so you'll need your phone for calls and messages. The build quality is excellent. Military-grade durability. Water rated to 100 meters. It's ready for deserts, mountains, rain, and snow. You don't have to baby it, so is it perfect? Not really. It's expensive. The MIP display isn't as sharp as a AMOLED. There's no touch screen, which some may miss. But for serious athletes and outdoor explorers, those are minor issues. The Garmin Enduro 3 is all about lasting power, accurate data, and reliable tracking. It's built for the kind of user who values endurance above everything else. If you're training for ultras, climbing summits, or trekking through the unknown, this is the tool you want on your wrist. Compared to the Fenix 7 or Epix Pro, the Enduro 3 wins on battery life. The Epix has a prettier screen, but it drains faster. The Fenix is close, but the Enduro outlasts it in every mode. This watch is for those who train hard, go far, and don't want to charge their gear every few days. It's for those who value performance, reliability, and battery life above all else. If you're on the fence, think about your lifestyle. If you're always outdoors, training long, and pushing your limits, this watch makes perfect sense. If not, you may find other Garmin models more suitable. Thanks for watching this deep dive on the Garmin Enduro 3. If you found this review helpful, make sure to subscribe to Tap Tech for more honest reviews, deep dives, and hands-on experiences with the latest gear. We're here to help you make smarter tech choices. See you in the next one.